Let's talk more about members, which define the who part of who can do what on which resource. There are 5 different types of members: Google accounts, service accounts, Google Groups, G Suite domains, and Cloud Identity domains. A Google account represents a developer, an administrator, or any other person who interacts with GCP. Any email address that is associated with a Google account can be an identity, including gmail.com or other domains. New users can sign up for a Google account by going to the Google account sign-up page without receiving mail through Gmail. A service account is an account that belongs to your application instead of to an individual end user. When you run code that is hosted on GCP, you specify the account that the code should run as. You can create as many service accounts as needed to represent the different logical components of your application. A Google Group is a named collection of Google accounts and service accounts. Every group has a unique email address that is associated with the group. Google Groups are a convenient way to apply an access policy to a collection of users. You can grant and change access controls for a whole group at once, instead of granting or changing access controls one at a time for individual users or service accounts. G Suite domains represent your organization's internet domain name, such as example.com. And when you add a user to your G Suite domain, a new Google account is created for the user inside this virtual group, such as username at example.com. GCP customers who are not G Suite customers can get these same capabilities through Cloud Identity. Cloud Identity lets you manage users and groups using the Google Admin Console, but you do not pay for or receive G Suite's collaboration products such as Gmail, Docs, Drive, and Calendar. Cloud Identity is available in free and premium editions. The premium edition adds capabilities for mobile device management. Now, it's important to note that you cannot use Cloud IAM to create or manage your users or groups. Instead, you can use Cloud Identity or G Suite to create and manage users. What if you already have a different corporate directory? How can you get your users and groups into GCP? Using Google Cloud Directory Sync, your administrators can log in and manage GCP resources using the same usernames and passwords they already use. This tool synchronizes users and groups from your existing Active Directory or LDAP system with the users and groups in your Cloud Identity domain. The synchronization is one way only, which means that no information in your Active Directory or LDAP map is modified. Google Cloud Directory Sync is designed to run scheduled synchronizations without supervision, after its synchronization rules are set up. GCP also provides single sign-on authentication. If you have your identity system, you can continue using your own system and processes with SSO configured. When user authentication is required, Google will redirect to your system. If the user is authenticated in your system, access to Google Cloud Platform is given. Otherwise, the user is prompted to sign in. This allows you to also revoke access to GCP. If your existing authentication system supports SAML2, SSO configuration is as simple as 3 links and a certificate, as shown on this slide. Otherwise, you can use a third-party solution like ADFS, Ping, or Okta. For more information about using your existing identity management system, see the links section of this video. Also, if you want to use a Google account but are not interested in receiving mail through Gmail, you can still create an account without Gmail. For more information about this, see the links section of this video.